Conditioning knobs on these Range Rovers get sticky. All you have to do is take a little nail file and lightly put it under and twist. You can push a little bit in the center. Here I'm just clicking off, and then you can just pull it straight off, push a little bit in the center. It comes off, no damage. You can take it inside, wash this little coating off that makes it so sticky, and then it'll be just a hard plastic knob. You come back and you just push it straight on and it'll pop right back into place. No replacement needed. So if you take regular nail polish remover, put it in a little cup, drop it in, swirl it around. All the goo will just melt away. And at the end of it, you'll have just the smooth plastic, perfectly clean. Pop it back on. So now you can see there's these three little tabs. There's three little tabs on there. Just line them up. Pops back into place. So you can see there's three little notches on this bezel. There's three little notches down in there, kind of deep. What you want to do is line them up. It pops into place. There you go, you can turn it.